What's up, everyone? This is Rick with UTV Source, and this is Project Snowball. It's a 2024 Polaris Xpedition ADV Northstar, and we threw everything but the kitchen sink at this bad boy. So follow along as we go through this very detailed Polaris Northstar ADV built by UTV Source. So Project Snowball started out with a phone call from my buddy Russell. He asked if we would be willing to build him something that no one else has, that could go fast, he could have fun in, he could stay cool in, meaning he wanted AC and heat, and something his family could be very comfortable in. I was all in, man. Projects like this get me excited. First things first, I met with Russell at the Arizona Off-Road Dirt Expo, where we saw this machine that was built by another shop. He fell in love with the color, basically, white and bronze gold. Now, Russell's used to very high-end cars. He owns a company called Fast Lane Exotics out in Scottsdale, and he likes nice things. He bought it, gave it to his family for Christmas, and immediately after, sent it over to me. One of the standout parts on Project Snowball is the interior. I'd reached out to a gentleman named Frank who owns a company called Aviles Custom Interiors, based out of Tempe, Arizona. He crushed it. So what you're looking at is a 3-piece fiber optic Alcantara suede Rolls-Royce headliner, handmade. You know, we wanted to bring that vibe into this family ride, and it's gorgeous. We continued that with custom interior. On all the seats were reupholstered. The suede inserts are CNC quilted material. They're also heated seats. Floor mats, front and back. We also went ahead and made door panels. So everything is CNC routed, machined, and wrapped in leather. We finished off on the center console and added Tempur-Pedic foam, so it's very comfortable for the driver's elbow and the passenger's elbow. Front to back, the interior's insane on this thing. We took it a step further, and while all the interior was out, we went ahead and sound deadened absolutely everything. We went to those levels on this build to guarantee killing sound, not letting dust come in, and keeping it quiet inside. A Momo steering wheel quick disconnect system that didn't add any length back to the driver. Since it's a telescoping wheel, we don't want to make it too close to the driver, right? So found this trick little unit at utvsource.com and got it in. It's pretty rad. So the inside's dialed, guys. After the interior was done, I dropped it off at EVO Powersports. The customer wanted to go fast. Well, the Northstar ADV has some thump, right? And it was already reclutched, but that wasn't good enough. And during this time span, EVO was R&D in their turbo kits. So I'd reached out to Todd, and we decided to put a turbo system in it. Dropped it off with those guys. Felt really bad for them because the back of this had to come off for them to put the turbo in. They did an amazing job. It sounds amazing. It's got this really nice linear pull. So if you're thinking you're gonna put a turbo in, you just smash the gas and this thing's gonna do wheelies and stuff, it's not like that. They've got this thing tuned where it's nice. It's not too fast, it's not slow, it's perfect. For what it is, it hauls the mail, and it drives like a little sports car. But they got the tuning like spot on. The front has an SDR Motorsports bumper that was already installed, and it came to us with a set of Baja Designs LP4s already installed. The Polaris ADV Northstar Snowball build basically clicks every box. Luxury, scoot with the turbo, and now we have a long travel kit. You know, it came with the HCR long travel kit, which is a really nice system for this machine. It increased the width, which increases the stability. We installed an electric off-road rear bumper. Fit and finish of electric off-road components are very, very nice. Very nice. It bolted right on. It has the SDR Motorsports roof rack, where we then installed 5150 whips that fold down. Customer wanted it up top. I wanted something that we could pull a pin and just fold down. Got a cooler, you got a Savage UTV belt replacement toolkit. We went ahead and addressed a wheel and tire issue during this build. So originally it came with some wheels and tires, but the offset was just a little bit too inboard. It was making contact with the wrap and the body panel and the arms. So we got rid of those wheels and we went with this nice set of Method race wheels on a 35. We put a Viper gated shift system in there. Oh my God, game changer. You know, if you're unfamiliar with the Viper gated machine shift system, ride in one, shift one. It's amazing. If you're in the rocks and you need to go back, throw it in reverse. Done. No binding and banging gears anymore. Everything that was gray inside is now black, just to complement everything and to mute out the gray and to kind of clean it all up. All in all, this was a big boy build that's taken about 3.5 months. The end result speaks for itself. This is 100% Snowball, and it's amazing. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, visit us at our Instagram page, UTV Source, our TikTok page, Facebook, get involved, submit your rides. But most importantly, visit us at the website at utvsource.com. And remember guys, life's a ride, make it true.